Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the HTML introductions. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating web page and web applications. Hypertext is nothing but the text within text. The text has link. The hypertext, whenever you click on the link, that brings you a web page. You clicked on hypertext. The hypertext always link two or more pages. It is the static. The hypertext is the hypertext. The HTML is nothing but you can create static and dynamic web page. Then markup language. Markup language is computer language that used to apply the layout, formatting, conventional text document. The markup language text more interactive and dynamic. The web page is a document which commonly written in HTML translated by the browser. The web page can be identified entering URLs. The definition of HTML. The HTML is nothing but the hypertext markup language, stands for hypertext markup language. It's for creating the web page. HTML describes the structure of web page. Web page consists of serial of elements. HTML elements tell the browsers how to display the contents. The giving simple example for HTML. In HTML, tagging is very important. So whenever you are going to create the HTML, we open the HTML tag, then we finally should close the HTML tag. Before that, so what we are going to describe, so each one should be closed to the tag. So now we are creating the HTML. After giving head, within the head we are giving the title of the head. After that the head will be closed. Then body, within the body we can create, so what we are going to design in HTML page, so that comes under the body. After designing, so we close the body, finally we close the HTML tag. So we are giving the h1 and paragraph. In the h1, in the sense it consists of 6 header available in HTML. This is h1 is the size of the text. Then paragraph is nothing but what we are going to enter within the paragraph. It will be displayed in the web page. Then we are giving the HTML history and versions. The HTML's father of the Berners-Lee is known as the father of HTML. The first available HTML document called HTML tag, proposed by him in 1991. The different version is available. Version 1, the HTML 1.0, the first version of HTML 1.0, which was bare bones version of HTML language, and it is released by 1991. Then in 1995 they released HTML 2.0. It's for creating the web page website design. Then they released HTML 3.2. The World Wide Web Consortium, they are introduced in 1997. It's here creating the tables and providing supporting option for the elements. It can support the web page and complex mathematical equations. In HTML 4.0.1, it released in 1999 at December. The HTML language, it provides added support for style sheet. The CSS initially. CSS with HTML initially released in HTML 4.01. Then HTML 5, the new versions, they are released in 2008 January. The same team they will be released in the World Wide Web Consortium. Another hypertext application technology working in the group, so which involved in the development of HTML5 version. Still it is under development. So nowadays we are using the HTML5. This version is nowadays we are using. Still is going. Working. The implementation work is still going. The structure of HTML page. The HTML file structure, common tags, head section, body section. The XML extensions mention the file name .html. We can give file name .html or .html extensions. The common tags. Common text nothing but the elements. What are the elements we are going to use in the HTML tags? They always include HTML open and close of the HTML tag closed. The common pasted inside tags are be used. Like head section is nothing but the information sections, information about the document and the header part of the documents and title. So these are called head sections. Then body of the section is nothing but what we are going to display the content in web page. That portion is called body of the sections. The page content include text, image, link, forms, tables, and the CSS. All the things are comes under the body sections. The structure of HTML tag elements are. This is the structure of HTML tag. The elements are mentioned here. HTML to be closed at the end of the program. Then header part is nothing but the header of the section. Then title of the body. Then within the header part we give the title. Then body section is then we can do body section. Body section is nothing but so what we are going to design in web page, it comes under the body section. Finally we close the HTML. The different style is available. It's available in HTML. The underline, then emphasis, italic style, bold, in different style. There are two parts: logical style part and physical style part. The emphasis, big, small, and subscript or superscript. These things are comes under logical style. The bold, italic, underline, the font size, colors, name of the font. These are comes under the physical style. So you can directly even in physical styles the name based on the name, size, and color. So example is mentioned given. So this is the simple example for text style. So we are giving the first header part. Within the header part we get title. So title we are giving the example of make text bold, italic, and underline. After that giving body. So within the bodies the bold indicate the bold letter of the given text. See the output comparison between compare between the bold, italic, and underline words. So what we are going to give under the bold, it comes under bold text. If you are giving italic words, giving italic tag, then underline means that you giving the underline tag.